Hi, I'm Heather with Heather Lang Homes, here with your June tips for home maintenance issues. And we're gonna focus on outside with the barbecue, since we are just starting summer and it's time to just get that grill clean and ready to go so that we can enjoy the rest of the summer and even into fall with some nice barbecues. So there's three ways that you can clean your grill. The first way is to go buy some grill cleaner, and you basically take your grill off, spray that down, and let it sit for a little while to absorb the substance that's on there and to get that grease off. And then scrub that down. You can even use the grill scrubber that you might have bought to go with your barbecue. Make sure that you wash that with soapy, warm water before you put your grill back on. Now, not everybody has that grill cleaner, and nor do people want to necessarily go out to the store just for that. So there are two other ways that you can clean your grill. One is with ammonia. Now, when you're using ammonia, you want to make sure that you are wearing gloves so that you avoid skin contact, and you don't want to get ammonia near your eyes or on your skin. So the best method for cleaning with the ammonia is you take your grill off. You want to wrap your grill in some newspaper. Then you put that newspaper wrapped grill into a plastic bag. A nice garbage bag can work. And then you want to soak that newspaper with the ammonia. And once you finish, then you want to kind of seal that bag, and you want to let that sit overnight and let that degrease the grill. Next day, you'll go ahead and you'll take that newspaper covered grill out of the bag, and you'll want to scrape off all of that gunk and grease. And then again, make sure that you wash your grill in warm water and soapy water. And voila, there you have a nice clean grill. A third way to clean your grill is with vinegar. So with vinegar, some people are more sensitive than others to their skin, so you may still want to wear gloves, but it's not necessarily as important as with ammonia. But with the vinegar, you want to also go ahead and soak the grill as best you can. You spray it down with the vinegar, let it sit. You might want to go back a couple times to make sure that it's getting saturated enough. Let it sit for a while so that, again, the gunk and the degrease kind of breaks down. And then if you don't have a grill scrubber, a great substitute is crunching up some aluminum foil, and that gives you a nice scratchy surface to go ahead and get the rest of that gunk off. And then again, remember to wash your grill with warm, soapy water, and you are ready for a summer full of outdoor barbecue. If you have any questions about any other home maintenance issues on what to do this summer, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here for you. I also have contractors and vendors who are out and about with essential business. I know that we are now released a little bit further from the SIP mandate, but we, again, still want to make sure we're staying safe. And I've got great folks who follow the protocols for social distancing, being safe, and still getting jobs done at your house to help you maintain your home, keep the structure having integrity, and enjoy your summer. If you have any questions about this or real estate, reach out to me, Heather at heatherlanghomes.com, 408-207-3130. Have a great start to your summer.